Hey guys, so to start off with I went into the white Mayron Paradise paint and I just used a foundation brush and I covered my whole face and also my chest area. Using a mascara spoolie I just put some of the white paint through my eyebrows. I wanted to really get down to the snowman business, so I started out with painting a carrot on the nose. So I went into this orange face paint and started to paint a carrot shape. Moving on to my mouth, I used a matte black liquid lipstick and then using a black face paint I painted pebbles or bits of coal or whatever you use for a snowman's mouth on the sides of my cheeks. Snowman's eyes are traditionally made of coal, I think. So I started to paint like jagged circles around my eyes. If you can't be bothered painting a scarf on, then just put a scarf on, but I wanted to be difficult and make my life complicated. So I went into this metallic blue paint and painted a scarf on. I painted black circles down my chest for the snowman's buttons. I used a pink eyeshadow from this palette for my blusher, and I just want to say I'm really impressed with this palette. I bought it at Halloween for my makeup jobs because I need a lot of like matte colours to go with my Halloween face painting, and I'm really impressed. It was like £10 or something from Beauty Bay. I then went into blue shades from this palette and I just started to add shading all over the snowman's face. Using a white face paint, I painted simple snowflakes onto the scarf and I painted little starbursts and just some white dots on there as well. I applied a mascara before I put my fake eyelashes on, and then I started to shade around the scarf to make it look 3D. So I shaded around it with a dark blue, and then off camera I actually painted a black line around it, and then I shaded around it in black as well. I applied this gem set from Pro Glitz, which I will leave a link in the description to their website. And then I went into individual gems, which I bought from Poundland. And luckily they're kind of the right colours. So I applied clear and pale blue ones all over my face and body. and then the dark blue ones onto the scarf, and then black ones, just a few around my eyes. I then gave these eyelashes that I've clearly used before a snowy makeover, so I added some fairy glitter from Pro Glitz applied with eyelash glue, and I added some glitter gel to them as well, and also some white paint. And then I'd recently found this black lip gloss that I have, which is such a random colour, and I applied that on top of my lipstick, and this is from NYX. Okay guys, this is the finished look of my cute but also a bit creepy snowman makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for some more Christmas makeups that I've got coming up. Goodbye.